Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A killer Sudoku, regular killer Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, October the 5th, 2023. Tomorrow it's Friday, the first Friday of the month. I will do a speed test with the regular puzzles. And in this newspaper I've already solved one puzzle, the binary puzzle, and we have in this newspaper also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I showed you this man is the granddad, not the dad but the granddad, Prince Bernard, of the king. He was a Nazi member, the party of Adolf Hitler in the World War II. Yeah, World War II. Well, shocking news here in the Netherlands. Shocking news. Alright, let me start with this one. The killer Sudoku. A number. Let me zoom this out. Come on. Killer Sudoku number 7216. Well, let me put that here. 7216. And we have here 4 given numbers. The 3 in this triple box of 17, that means that those two boxes together should be 14. 14 plus the 3 is equal to 17. Here, another 3 in this triple box of 16. That means that those two boxes together should be 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Here, another triple box with a given number 6. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. And another triple box of 19. That means that with a given number 2. That means that these two boxes together should be 17. Well, 17. It's a box with only one combination. Yeah. Alright. For a killer Sudoku, my average time for solving a killer Sudoku will be 20 to 30 minutes. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. We will see if this is really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. And my first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has, well, will be difficult with my first strategy for looking a big square with 1 sharing box. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column, well, this column has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay. Let me start with this column. 9 plus 11 is 20. 9 plus 13 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. It means that those two boxes together should be 11. Okay. 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Alright. And now 3 and 5. 3 and 9. Well, could be. 3 and a 9. Well, 3. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. I've told you The box of 17, only one combination. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Let me scan. Box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Let me see. Box of 17, 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9. Let me see. 9, 48. And box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Well. Well. 6. 9 and the 5. Could be 5 here. Well. Let me look for my next strategy is to look for boxes with two combinations. Here in this big square, we have a box of 5. Now, two combination for the box of 5. 2 plus 3 and 4 plus 1. The 2 is already used in this big square. So the first combination, 2 plus 3, is not possible. So it should be 4 and a 1. 4 and a 1. Okay. 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 14, otherwise I need another 7. Double 7 is not allowed. So the 7 could be here, or there. Well, if I place the 7 in the box of 8, then the combination will be 7 plus 1. The 1 is already used in this big square, here. So the only place left for the 7 in this big square should be here. In the box of 8, combination 7 plus 1. Alright. Now, in this big square, we have one sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Alright. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 19 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 6 should be here. In the box of 14, the combination will be 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Okay, here we have a box of 5. Two combinations for the box of 5. 4 and the 1, or 2 and the 3. Well, the 3 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 3 and the 2 here. Should be the 4 and the 1. Alright, 4 and the 1. Okay. We have more. More. Well, 2 and the 4, 5 and the 1. Well, two numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Let me mark those. So we have 2 missing numbers now in the last column. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 4 and the 2. 2 and the 4. Well, 2 and the 4 are left in the last column. If I place the 2 here, then the combination will be in the box of 6, 2 and the 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. But look, we have already a 4 in this column. So I cannot place the 2 here. The 2 should be there. And the 4 goes there. Then the combination will be 4 plus 2. Reverse, okay. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Alright. 8 and 9, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have an 8 now in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. Then. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 5. Interesting. 7. Well, we have a 4 in this big square, so this box can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1 then, and that box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Yeah, 7 and a 5. And I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, of course. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 should be here. 7 goes there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. In the box of 12, the combination will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Alright, and now 7. Then. Let me see. 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Need 8 here. 8 and a 4. 8, 8, 8, 8 and 7. Come on. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. These 2 boxes together should be 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12. Plus 6 is equal to 18. Okay. Now, we have here 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1, 5. And 6 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 6 plus 0. 6 should be here. The 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes together should be 11. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Plus 3 is equal to 14. 5, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. If I place the 5 in the box of 12, then the combination will be 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And look, we already have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 5 should be here, alright. In this triple box of 17, those 2 boxes together should be 12, okay. Alright, 6 and a 7, 6, 6. And the 7, yeah. We have a 7. No. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. If I place the 6 in this box, in the box of 13, then the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Look, we already have a 7 in this row, so I cannot place the 6 there. The 6 should be here. These 2 boxes together should be 13, so 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, yeah. Then, 1 of the missing number in this row is the number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13, of course, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 12. 12 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is number 9. So it should be here. The 1 in this row. In the box of 9, the combination will be 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Okay. 1 of the missing number is the number 5 in this big square. The 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10. Otherwise, I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so it should be in a box of 11. Combination 6 and a 5. 6 and a 5. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. In the box of 10, the combination will be 9 and a 1. 9 and a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 already in this column, so this box should be a 2. That box should be a 1. Okay, now we have 1 sharing box in this big square. If we count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 17 plus 13 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. For the 9, we have a 9 now in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. In this triple box of 17, 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Alright. 2 numbers left now. Oh, wait. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 now in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7. In the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the fifth column. So the column between second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, and there. You see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes together should be 14. So 5 plus 9 is equal to 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 13, combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 1, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes and there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1. 2 is missing, 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. How about the 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. I cannot place the 6 in the box of 12, of course. So the 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Otherwise, double 6 is not allowed. Not allowed. In the box of 12, the combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. In the box of 13, here the combination will be 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, I believe the 9. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, because told you 20 to 30 minutes. And I've solved this in 18 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you later.